Hey guys, this is Tamisha, and today I'm reviewing the Hydroshot by Worx. It's a portable power cleaner made specifically for everyday cleaning. Inside the Hydro Bundle box, you'll find the brush, the Hydroshot, which can operate under two levels, the high pressure, which is 320 psi, and low pressure, which is 94 psi. This bundle comes with everything to get you started, but more importantly, it comes with the battery that you can use on other Worx tools. And it's a 20-volt lithium battery that you just plug into the outlet using the adapter. This battery can be used with other Worx tools, including their drills and their various outdoor tools. So let's get to what's inside the box. In the box, you'll find a multi-spray nozzle. It's a 5-in-1 nozzle that allows you to change the intensity of the water flow. It has a 20-foot hose, a window squeegee with water sprayer, a soap bottle, and a pressure enhancing lance. You'll also find easy to follow directions with a lot of drawn out diagrams, which I actually like. So one of the best things about the Hydroshot is that it's super portable. You can set up with any source of fresh water. So I'm going to test this out with washing my car. So I got a bucket of water that I filled up, and now I'm attaching the lance, the pressure lance, and then the multi-nozzle. I'm going to rinse the car down. And setting it all up was actually really easy. It was just basically twisting the different pieces on, making sure the battery was fully charged, which you want to do from the very beginning because the battery takes a little longer to charge than I expected. I adjusted the nozzles to change the water pressure to get a more directional flow of water. And I actually overall liked the pressure. It wasn't too much that I felt like it would damage my car. Next, I added some soap to the nozzle and sprayed the car with some soap. And it lathered. I was shocked. I didn't really care for the brush part of it because I felt like it wasn't really doing much, but it did remove some of the dirt. And it was gentle enough to use on the car. But I really loved the squeegee. It had a sprayer that would spray down the window and it wiped everything away. Then I took the leftover water that was in the bucket and I watered my plants out back. So overall, I really like the Hydroshot portable power cleaner. My favorite aspect of it was the portability. I could set it up using a bucket of water and take it anywhere around the house. As for cons, it took a little longer than I thought it should for the battery to fully charge. And one of the things you always want to keep in mind with this tool is that it's not a pressure washer. So if you keep that in mind and be mindful that this is primarily for everyday gentle use, you will like this portable power cleaner. So that's it for today's video. Details and a link to where you can find the Worx Hydroshot will be listed below in the description column. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of these fabulous videos. And follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas at Facebook and Instagram. Alright guys, till next time.